All right, here's a quick look at the front end of KDP TrendHunter, the part everyone gets access to right away. Step 1, run a trend analysis. TrendHunter scans real-time Amazon bestseller data, Google Trends, and competitor books. In under 2 minutes, it pulls everything together: demand, competition, momentum, and shows you exactly which topics are heating up right now. Step 2, view your top 10 opportunities. Once the scan is done, you get a ranked list of the 10 best book opportunities. Each one has a color-coded score based on our 5-factor system: trend momentum, Amazon demand, competition, staying power, and ecosystem potential. Click on any topic and it reveals what the market looks like, so you can instantly decide if it's worth writing. And that's the front end. Simple, fast, and insanely powerful. It removes the guesswork and shows you where the real opportunities are before you spend a minute writing. If you want to go further, the upgrades unlock full deep dives, book blueprints, AI chapter writing, professional cover creation, and KDP-ready exports. But the front end alone already gives you the most important part: knowing exactly what will sell.